earning rewards from your phone isn't always easy, but I recently came across an app that gives you different ways to earn coins by completing offers and activities. Today, we're checking out InCash to see how it actually works and what you can do inside the app. What's up guys? In this video, I'll walk you through the offers, daily rewards, wallet, and redemption options. Depending on what's available, you can redeem your coins for options like USD Cash, Bitcoin, Google Play, or gift cards. So let's jump in and see what InCash is all about. Alright guys, before we even download the application, I want to start with the official InCash website. And right here, we can see the main page for InCash. The website explains how InCash works and introduces the different ways users can earn rewards through the application. The website mainly introduces the application and explains how users can earn rewards through different activities. Now, I actually like starting with the official website because it gives us some additional information. Before we jump into the application, if we scroll down, we can see that InCash also provides a frequently asked questions section. And this is something worth checking because the questions aren't only about earning. They cover several different areas of the application. Alright, now let's move over to the Google Play Store. So I'm just going to search for InCash here. And as you can see, this is the InCash application. Now let's check out the numbers for a second. Right here, we see a 4.4 rating with around 81,000 reviews. And the listing also shows 5 million plus downloads. So there are quite a lot of users and reviews here that you can look through yourself. And if you look at the screenshots, you can already get an idea of what the application is about. You have earning activities, InCash coins, rewards, daily rewards, and the referral feature. Alright, so let's go ahead and install it. Okay, so it's downloading now. Once it's finished, we'll open it up and I'll show you what it looks like from the inside. So the app is installed. Let's open it. And this is what you see when you first enter the application. So first you'll need to sign up using your Gmail or the required account information to get started. Once you have signed up, you will also see an option to enter referral code. So if you want to support me and get started through my referral, you can simply enter my referral code here. I'll also leave my referral link in the description or bio so you can directly download InCash using my link and then enter my code during sign up. Alright, once that's done, just continue into the application and then we can start exploring all the available offers and earning features. I would recommend going through this instead of just skipping it because you basically just go through the different screens and tap next. That way, you can understand where everything is and how the different features work. It only takes a little bit of time, but it can help you understand how to use the application properly. Okay, so now we're inside the main application. As you can see, there are different sections where you can find available activities and offers. You can complete different offers and collect InCash coins based on what's available to you. And you'll notice that there are different types of activities here. The campaign information mentions offers related to things like finance, shopping, and gaming apps. This is a nice little feature inside InCash where you can come back each day and claim your available reward. According to the InCash campaign information, the daily check-in can build into a 6-day streak with escalating free coins as continue checking in. So if you are already using the application, this is something you can keep an eye on every day. So just come back here, checking your daily reward and claim what's available. Alright, so now let's take a closer look at these offers. As you can see, there are a lot of different games and activities available here. For example, we have got games like Candy Grab, Hopping Pumpkin, Square Leap, and several other options. If you open these offers, you'll normally see the requirements you need to complete before getting the different rewards. So basically, the higher the reward, the more steps or requirements you may have to complete. That's why I wouldn't recommend choosing an offer just because you see a big number beside it. For example, you can see different offers here with different amounts. Some are smaller and may have simpler requirements, while others can show much larger rewards, may require more time or more progress inside the game. So you really want to check the offer details before starting. And you can also see things like the estimated time, where it's a multi-reward offer, and the number of likes or people interacting with that offer. So there's quite a bit of information here that you can look at before you decide. And it's not only games. If I keep scrolling, you can see other types of activities as well, including things like clickbox symbol, Nemu Captcha, Survey Llama, and other available offers. So there are quite a few different options to explore. The good thing is you don't have to choose the first offer you see. You can scroll through, compare the rewards and requirements, and then decide which one makes the most sense for you. And remember, the available offers can change. So what you are seeing on my screen may not be exactly the same as what's available on your account. So my advice here is pretty simple. Don't just chase the biggest coin number. Open the offer, check exactly what you need to do, see how much time or effort it requires, and then decide if the reward is worth it for you. There's a much better way to use this section of InCash. Alright, so now let's move over the wallet. This is where you can see your InCash coins and keep track of your balance. So as you complete eligible activities, your collected coins can build up here. And right here, we have the redeem now option. So when you're ready to check your redemption options, this is where you can go. Let's tap on it and see what's available. Okay, so now we are inside the redemption section, and this is where you can check the different rewards available for your account. The campaign information mentions redemption options such as USD Cash, Bitcoin, Google Play, and gift cards. The option available can depend on your account, so check the redemption section to see what's currently offered to you. Also, if you ever have a withdrawal issue, remember that the official website has a dedicated frequently asked question covering things like minimum withdrawal amounts, pending withdrawals, withdrawal times, and rejected withdrawals. So you can check that information if you run into a problem. Alright guys, the offers can change from time to time. Sometimes you'll find a lot of game surveys and tasks with some really good coin rewards. But right now, there aren't any offer available for me. So I'll just come back and check again later. So whenever you see an offer, make sure to check the requirement before you start. Now let's check out the referral section. So here you can find your referral code and referral information. You can share your referral code with friends who want to try InCash. The campaign information explains that users can share their referral code and receive free coins for themselves and their friends. So if you have friends who are interested in trying the application, you can simply share your referral information with them. And for this video, I'll leave my referral link and code in the description or bio. If you sign up through my referral, I will receive a referral benefit. So if you want to try the application, make sure you use the code provided with this video. Alright guys, so after checking out InCash, if you're interested in reward apps and different activities you can try from your phone, InCash is something you can check out for yourself. Just remember, the available offers can change, and some of the higher rewards offers may require more time or more steps to complete. So always check the details before you start. Alright guys, so after checking out InCash, if you're interested in reward apps and different activities you can try from your phone, it's something you can check out for yourself. There are different offers available depending on the account and current availability. And some high reward offers may require more time or more steps to complete. So always check the requirements before you start. If you want to give InCash a try, I'll leave my referral link in the description or bio. You can use my link to download the app and enter my referral code when signing up. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more apps reviews and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.